after having read this rule, whether Hindi is our mother tongue. May I know from him whether Hindi language is our mother tongue?
His mother tongue. The Honorable
We are talking about the language to be used so that we can understand.
Yes, that's what the rule
This
says.
implies that as
No, the rule
members we
says
can,
very
we
clearly.
can use our mother tongue.
No, the rule says very, very clearly, whoever,
If he feels so embarrassed that this will form part
not
of
the
the
question of
proceeding,
embarrassing.
it is a question of embarrassment to
Sir,
the
not
ruling
the
party.
issue of
You
embarrassment.
cannot tell that
I'm
Hindi
talking
is
about the
our
rules.
mother tongue.
It should
Hindi is
be
not our mother
guided
tongue.
by
you
the
have
rules.
to understand.
But I'm saying,
It's a
because
shame
this
on your
is
part
already-
after having passed a
Shame, what
resolution,
shame?
after having passed a resolution
tell.
for the inclusion
No.
of Khasi and Garo
I'm
language
telling you the
in this
rules.
house,
We are being
that
guided by the rules,
you are
sir.
trying to promote Hindi
We are
language
being
in this
guided by the
house.
rules only, Mr. Speaker, sir. So we have to
Don't
respect
try
the
to
rules.
explain. I know
Please.
the rules.
That's why, sir, please,
I am not a
I
school
would
kid to
request-
be explained, to be
would
taught by
request-
you.
I would request,
It is a matter of embarrassment for the
expunge
government. That's why you
entire
want to
statement
expunge
made by the
my
honourable
speech.
member from now.
Mr. Speaker, sir, before you take a final verdict,